Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have two weekend inspired and self-provided budge ideas. First, these cute Hello Kitty shaped sunglasses. You can find them on AliExpress for a very cheap price. $3 a pair to imitate Taeyeon. I bought two. Now, the next idea is to print out weekends era pics. Download all your fave pictures of Taeyeon from this era. Personally, I saved every pic I could find. So basically 81 pictures of the weekend era. Now you can choose any option you want to print them out. Use an application, your own printer or Polaroid printer, etc. I wanted to print them Polaroid style, but I don't own a printer. So I decided to use this application who prints mini pictures who look like Polaroids. La la la. You can do many things on this application. Photo books, magnets, photo strips, posters, etc. I've already chosen the mini vintage format and arranged them to my liking, giving you a little preview. Again, you can choose another format to print them out. The 1th pics are some of my faves. I even picked out the Vlives ones. So with shipping I paid a total of €30 for 81 pics. You can also adjust how many pictures and print way less if you are trying to manage your budget. You can get €5 off of your first purchase if you refer this code. Thanks for watching.